Chapter 1, Chemical Reactions and Equations, Class 10 Science. Introduction to Chemical Reactions. A chemical reaction is a process in which one or more substances, reactants, undergo a change to form one or more new substances, products. During a chemical reaction, physical and chemical properties of substances change. Example, magnesium burns in air to form magnesium oxide. Reaction. Characteristics of a chemical reaction. A chemical reaction is identified by the following changes. Change in state, solid, liquid, or gas changes into another state. Change in color, example, rusting of iron. Evolution of gas, example, reaction of zinc with dilute hydrochloric acid releases hydrogen gas. Change in temperature, example, calcium oxide, quicklime, reacts with water, releasing heat. Formation of precipitate, example, reaction of silver nitrate with sodium chloride forms a white precipitate of silver chloride. Chemical equations. A chemical equation represents a chemical reaction using symbols and formulas. Example, word equation, hydrogen plus oxygen right pointing arrow water. Chemical equation, balancing chemical equations. The law of conservation of mass states that mass can neither be created nor destroyed. In a balanced equation, the number of atoms of each element on the reactant side is equal to the number of atoms on the product side. Steps to balance a chemical equation. Write the unbalanced equation. Count the number of atoms of each element. Multiply coefficients to balance atoms. Verify the final equation. Balanced equation. Types of chemical reactions. Combination reaction, two or more reactants combine to form a single product. Example, calcium oxide reacts with water to form slaked lime. Decomposition reaction, a single reactant breaks down into simpler products. Example, ferrous sulfate decomposes into ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide, and sulfur trioxide. Displacement reaction, a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its compound. Example, zinc displaces copper from copper sulfate solution. Double displacement reaction, exchange of ions between two compounds. Example, barium chloride reacts with sodium sulfate to form barium sulfate precipitate. Redox reactions, oxidation and reduction. Oxidation, loss of electrons or addition of oxygen. Reduction, gain of electrons or removal of oxygen. 6. Effects of oxidation in daily life. Corrosion, gradual destruction of metals by reaction with oxygen and moisture. Example, rusting of iron. Rancidity, oxidation of oils and fats leading to a bad smell and taste. Prevention, storing food in airtight containers, refrigeration, and using antioxidants. 7. Corrosion and its prevention. Definition. Corrosion is the slow degradation of metals when they react with environmental factors like oxygen, moisture, acids, and chemicals. Examples of corrosion. Rusting of iron. Iron reacts with oxygen and water to form hydrated iron, 3, oxide commonly known as rust. Tarnishing of silver. Silver reacts with sulfur in the air to form black silver sulfide. Green coating on copper. Copper reacts with carbon dioxide and moisture to form basic copper carbonate, green layer. Prevention of corrosion. Painting and oiling, prevents exposure to air and moisture. Galvanization, coating iron with zinc, example in iron pipes. Electroplating, depositing a thin metal layer, example silver, gold plating on jewelry. Alloying, mixing metals to prevent corrosion, example stainless steel is iron mixed with chromium and nickel. Rancidity and its prevention. Definition. Rancidity is the oxidation of fats and oils in food, leading to a foul smell and taste. Types of rancidity. Oxidative rancidity, when oils react with oxygen. Hydrolytic rancidity, when fats react with moisture. Microbial rancidity, caused by bacteria or fungi. Prevention of rancidity. Adding antioxidants, chemicals like BHA, butylated hydroxyanisole, and BHT, butylated hydroxytoluene, prevent oxidation. Storing in airtight containers, prevents contact with oxygen. Refrigeration, slows down oxidation reactions. Vacuum packing removes oxygen from food packaging. Storing in dark places prevents light-induced oxidation. Chapter summary. A chemical reaction involves breaking and forming bonds, resulting in a chemical change. Balanced chemical equations follow the law of conservation of mass. Types of chemical reactions. Combination reaction. Two reactants form one product. Decomposition reaction. One reactant breaks into multiple products. Displacement reaction. A more reactive element replaces another. Double displacement reaction. Exchange of ions between reactants. Redox reaction involves oxidation, loss of electrons, and reduction, gain of electrons. Corrosion damages metals and can be prevented by galvanization, painting, and alloying. Rancidity affects food quality and can be controlled using antioxidants and refrigeration. Here are some practice questions with answers for NCERT Class 10 Science Chapter 1 Chemical Reactions and Equations. Which of the following is a combination reaction? Answer B. In a combination reaction, two or more reactants combine to form a single product. What happens when calcium oxide, quicklime, reacts with water? A highly endothermic reaction occurs. B. Colorless gas is released. C. Slaked lime, calcium hydroxide, is formed. D. The temperature of the reaction mixture decreases. Answer C. Slaked lime, calcium hydroxide, is formed. This is a combination reaction and exothermic in nature. What type of reaction is represented by the equation? A. Combination reaction. B. Displacement reaction. C. Decomposition reaction. D. Redox reaction. Answer B. Displacement reaction. Zinc is more reactive than copper, so it displaces copper from copper sulfate. Which gas is evolved when zinc reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Hydrogen. D. Carbon dioxide. Answer C. Hydrogen. Q5. What is the color of ferric oxide formed due to rusting of iron? A. Black. B. Brown. C. Green. D. White. Answer B. Brown. Iron reacts with oxygen and water to form reddish-brown ferric oxide. Fill in the blanks. The reaction between an acid and a base is known as a blank reaction. Answer Neutralization. Rusting of iron is a type of blank reaction. Answer Oxidation. The reaction in which heat is absorbed is called blank reaction. Answer Endothermic. The reaction in which a substance is broken down into two or more products is called a blank reaction. Answer Decomposition. The process of depositing a layer of zinc on iron to prevent rusting is called blank. Answer Galvanization. Short answer questions. Why should a chemical equation be balanced? Answer. A chemical equation should be balanced to follow the law of conservation of mass, which states that the total mass of reactants must be equal to the total mass of products. Identify the type of reaction in the following equations. Answer. A. Combination reaction. B. Double displacement reaction. C. Decomposition reaction. What is rancidity? How can it be prevented? Answer. Rancidity occurs when fats and oils react with oxygen, causing a bad smell and taste. Prevention methods. Adding antioxidants like BHA and BHT. Storing food in airtight containers. Keeping food in refrigerators. Using vacuum packing. Long answer questions. Explain the different types of chemical reactions with one example each. Answer. Combination reaction. Two or more reactants combine to form a single product. Decomposition reaction. A single reactant breaks down into simpler products. Displacement reaction. A more reactive element displaces a less reactive one. Double displacement reaction. Exchange of ions between two compounds. Redox reaction. One substance is oxidized while the other is reduced. Explain the importance of balancing a chemical equation with an example. Answer. Balancing ensures the number of atoms of each element is the same on both sides of the equation. This follows the law of conservation of mass. What is corrosion? How can it be prevented? Answer. Corrosion is the gradual deterioration of metals due to environmental factors like oxygen and moisture. Prevention methods. Galvanization, coating iron with zinc. Painting and oiling, prevents direct contact with air. Alloying, mixing metals, example stainless steel. Electroplating, coating with less reactive metals. These practice questions will help you prepare well for Class 10 Chapter 1 Chemical Reactions and Equations.